So this is the bulwagan ng Katarungan. They are renovating it. This is the beautiful McDonald's Baguio drive-thru in Insular. This is the Old Marcres Hotel. Still a hotel. And that's Golden Pine Hotel. That's the reception of me and my wife's wedding. We are here in Lower Aquari Barangay, or commonly known as Lagoon, Baguio City Lagoon. Ayan. Ito, nag-grocery si mama ko. Thank you, ma. Tapos may lechon pa. Thanks, ma. Love you.
Oh, ito pa. Basta
wow,
bagay
thanks,
na
ma.
data, ah.
Okay, ma. Thanks.
Then, ito.
Sige, gawin mo ta.